Welcome to another 3-minute tutorial from Beau Luna Adventures. I recently removed the spare wheel off our Mercedes Sprinter campervan and realised that it was in pretty poor condition, so I wondered whether I could make it look pretty decent just with stuff I got lying around, tools and some primer, and also some centre aisle bits from Lidl as well. So first thing I did was started to clean it up with drill bits that I had in the shed and a hand wire brush before cleaning all that off and then seeing what I could do with the spray paint. First thing to do was clean it with some soapy water and then hit it with this isopropyl alcohol to get any remaining dirt and grime off. Then it was mask up the tyre, which I realised afterwards I didn't quite mask up enough. It was quite a windy day and so that didn't go very far. I then sprayed it up with some grey primer, some rust inhibiting primer that I got in the shed. And then once that was done and dried, I went on to the centre aisle stuff that I picked up from Lidl. This is Parkside aluminium zinc primer. I had a bit of trouble getting the idiot proof lid off, and once I did, it took the spray nozzle with it, but it was easy to get back on. And then yeah, away we went. Way better propellant in it. The stuff I was using previously had been in the shed for a while, so that might have been the reason, but this came out absolutely brilliant. In fact, it came out really heavy, which wasn't perfect, but it covered really well and went on a dream and dried really quickly too. Once that had dried and laid out nice and flat, we used this car wheel and wheel trim paint in silver, and again that was really well propelled. It came out of the can really nice, and the overall finish was really good. It was easy to use, it sprayed up nice and evenly. In fact, that sprayed up nicer than the primer because the primer went on so heavy you had to move it around really quickly. This one was a little bit easier to apply. As you can see, once it was all done, it looked really good. There was a couple of runs on it where I gone a bit heavy with the primer, but overall really pleased with how the spare wheel looks now. Give the video a like if it's been helpful, and subscribe for more simple, easy to follow 3-minute tutorials. I'll catch you again in a video really soon.